Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Grape Family. The video you are about to watch is how you can prepare okra. Okra is a vegetable which contains a lot of vitamin A, vitamin K, and also it contains fiber. So this is what we got from our farm. If you have not watched our previous video, I showed you where my wife planted okra, and it's very edible. It helps. It's an anti-cancer. It has anti-cancer property with a lot of heart health benefits. So it helps your heart. So I hope you will enjoy this preparation. Thank you for watching.
So we have successfully blended okra. So this is called locust beef. We are going to wash it because there might be some unwanted particles in stones. So we wash it thoroughly. Mo ti bèrè lọ́wọ́ tèmi lẹ́yìn. The locust bean now. So I'm going to pour it into the pot. The pot has been washed as well. Some people will ask that we didn't add salt, we didn't add anything. Like I said the other time, there's no need of adding any potash. So we're not going to pour the into the pot. Then you put it like that. Then you leave it till it successfully gets softened. Then
so like how many minutes?
Like 10 to 15 minutes. Since there is no, some people believe that the potash and bicarbonate soften the okra. So since there is no bicarbonate and potash, so we leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then it will be softened. Then our okra is ready.
So we should check back in 15 minutes.
Okay.
Our okra is done. Well softened. This is okra without potash, without any bicarbonate. It's very okay, and it's softened. So I think you can eat it with any desirable swallow fruit. So we are done with our okra. Thanks.